Hello everybody, this is Rajiv. Today I'm going to be unpacking or unboxing a product which I got from eBay India. The product is going to be an tactical knife. The description, the name of the product is Tac Force TF749 knife with LED light. It's a Tac Force knife, but not an original one, I guess. It's going to be an duplicate product of Tac Force, that's what I believe. So got from eBay India for the pricing of about 250 for about 650. That's 649 plus 1, which I would say. So that's the packaging here. We got it from eBay. I already have purchased another product from this guy. He's actually an weapons expert in eBay. He usually sells knives. Okay, so this is the product I got it from him before. Pretty smaller knife, actually has a serrated blade, and yeah, it cuts pretty nice. Pretty nice. I'm gonna try it out right now. So let's open this packing and see what we have. The whole product, the whole body of the product is black. The handle is black and the blade is black. The original Tac Force comes with the silver and black blades. But this one is completely black. That's the only difference he says. But let's hope there's nothing else. I mean, there's no other difference in the product. So I hope this might be a spin-off from what might be a duplicate product of Tac Force, because you won't get a Tac Force knife for that cheaper price. So let's open the product and see what we have inside. There you go, so that's the boxing here. I don't suppose this one is going to be the actual boxing of the product, but Ru is made in China, so that is going to be. So that's a free box. I got it for this product. Nice. Okay, so let's take this apart and just open it. Alright, so there you go, that's the product. That's a knife, pretty heavy. Let's open it, the packing. Alright, so there you go, that's the knife. Okay, so we have no labeling here. It should be labeled as EMS, EMT, or maybe a fire rescuer. There's no label on the top, so that makes sure that it's Indian. And there you go, that's the LED on the top here. And let's open the knife here. Pretty stronger. Okay, so there you go. No locking. Yeah, that's locking mechanism. So that's the blades. Blades are a little blunt, not that sharp, which I would expect so, but okay. I mean, I have grip here. That's a gripper on the top here, and it has a locking mechanism, and I'm not sure how to close it. Okay. I had to figure out how to close this thing because I'm new with these kind of knives, so I've got to figure it out. I have to be very careful while closing this stuff. Yeah, okay, so there you're gonna close. Okay, so we have to pressure this and we have to close like this. Okay, so it I mean, I might have to use this thing here to open it. Oh, see, I'm hurt. That's very stronger knife. I mean, I have to be really careful while opening this, and there you go, it opens like this. So I mean, you have to be very careful. It'll be fine. I might check it out how it cuts. No, not that sharp as I would say. Okay. So that's enough. That's enough sharpening. See? Okay, I mean, it cuts nice, but I would expect more sharper for another knife. Okay, so it cuts nice. Okay, so I mean, the knife is good. The handle is pretty bigger for my hand, and yeah, it has an LED on the top. So let me close this thing up. Okay, so let me close this thing up. So there you go. That's the blading I have right now. I'll check it out later, and that's the LED. So LED, you have to twist it like this to make it work, I suppose. Maybe, but it's not working. Okay, so the LED is not working. Okay, it's working. So you have to twist it pretty stronger to make the LED work. Okay, it's not so powerful, but I mean, you can expect, you don't have to expect a greater LED, greater light for this. This is enough. I mean, something is better than nothing. So there you go, and that's the knifing, and let me open it and let's say, I mean, it's pretty strong to open, so I have to use another hands to open it. Okay, and there you go. So that's how you had to use your LED. Okay, and close this thing stuff. You have to be very careful while closing and opening it. I mean, you need to use another hand for opening this thing. So turn this off. Okay, just twist it and it turns off. It also has a belt buckle where you can fix it over your jeans, your pant pockets. So that's all about the knife, and one more thing to say, that it doesn't have any glass breaker on the bottom, which usually have, I mean, which other knives usually have. It doesn't have. So this is a rip-off of the original Tac Force knife, I would say, because it doesn't have any labels on the top here. It doesn't have any EMT or fire rescuer. It doesn't have that purpose. Or maybe the other Tac Force's knife, it has that glass breaker right on the top here. And not to mention, I mean, I had to be very careful of opening this thing. Okay, and well, it has the EMT or maybe the rescuer's logo on the top here, on the blades here. It reads Tac Force Design, Speedster model design, and yeah, there you go. That's the USA design. You can see that. That's the USA design here. USA design label on the blades on the other side, and we have the Tac Force label and the EMT logo on the side of the blade. That's beautiful. It has the serration here. Pretty useless, I would say, but okay, when you're gonna use it while killing an animal, or maybe for something else, or cutting any wires, you might use this serrations here. The blades are okay. I mean, not the sharp, but okay. The original Tac Force comes with a silver lining here, but that doesn't have any silver linings on the blade. It's completely black. So yes, guys, pretty good knife. Okay, and that's all I got for the pricing. So if you have any questions, do put in the comments below about this knife. I'll get back with another review soon. Do like my videos, do subscribe to my videos if you like my videos, of course. So this is a smaller knife, this is a bigger knife. You can see this is the whole total length of the knife. It's about, say, I'm not sure. The blade's length is about 3.5 to 4 inches at what it says, so it should be about 8 inches or less. Okay, the whole knife, but it's pretty bigger for my size, I mean for my palm size. So that's all about the review, guys. If you have any questions, do drop in the comments below. Do like my videos, do subscribe to my videos. I'll get back another review soon.